Halloween night. Good evening, dear boys and girls. Halloween night is coming. It's the most important night for monsters. Vampires, mummies, zombies, ghosts, skeletons, witches. They are all getting ready for their big party with only one goal: to scare boys and girls like you. Only those of you who are really brave will be able to endure this terrifying short and sweet story. You, yes you, on the other side of the speaker. Are you brave enough? Yes? Are you sure? Then come with me. I'll take you to the haunted mansion for a terrifying night. What the devil? We will not be ready on time. It's getting dark. Get it together. Are you monsters or headless chickens? The mortal children are going to start arriving and we have nothing ready. Do I look good in this suit? Oh my. Where are you going with that ratty cape? You don't look like a vampire. You look like a moth-eaten closet.
Lady Anguish, have you seen my bandages? I took them off to wash them and...
Oh, Denially, dear, I don't know. Go and look in the...
I don't want to.
Let's see. Has anyone seen Mummy Denially's bandages?
If that's what was lying outside, Auntie Suffering took them to walk doggy bones.
Denially, one day you're going to lose your mind. Mom, I've lost my mind. I'm not surprised. You leave everything lying around and then you can't find anything.
Mommy! Come and play with us.
Honey, I can't play now. Don't you see I'm busy?
Come and play with us.
Don't use that voice. You'll hurt your throat.
As you wish, Mommy.
Oh, Uncle Vampy is coming out of the coffin.
No, it's my knees. It's getting harder and harder to get up every day. Vampy? He won't get up early. Not even for an open bar of blood.
My sheet. I've lost my sheet. Just today, when I make my debut as a ghost on Halloween. Let's see, keep calm. Has anyone seen Yos the ghost sheet?
I think the little vampire took it. She said she was sleepy and was going to bed.
Now? But the sun has just set. There's Lecter the Spectre fussing with the piano. Lecter! Play quieter!
I'm practicing the Requiem.
Where did you get that voice?
What do you think? Could I scare the children like this with the voice of Other Tomb?
You mean a voice of Ultra Tomb.
From Other Tomb. It's scarier, isn't it? To me, at least. It smells awful in here. Who did it? If you smelt it, you dealt it.
Guys, a little respect. It's Grandpa Zombie. He's just arrived. Go, help him put on his rags. Run! And you, open a window. Granny Potions! Have you brought the soil from the cemetery to plant the chrysanthemums?
No, I haven't finished packing the poop-flavored candy yet.
Child, tell your Aunt Katrina to come here.
What can I help you with, Lady Anguish?
You forgot your jaw on the floor. Snap it back into your skull before someone steps on it. Oh, That must be the boogeyman.
Who is the boogeyman?
I think in Mexico they call it Coco.
Coco? The one from the movie?
No, the boogeyman, who takes away children who don't go to sleep when their parents tell them.
Oh, Coco. I love that movie. And the version they did of the Chabela Vargas song is very nice.
Y aunque la vida me cueste, llorona, no dejaré de quererte.
It's time. Is everyone ready? Where's the little monster that lives inside the closet? He says he doesn't want to come out. He's afraid of children. What nonsense. There they are. The first ones have arrived. Ready?
Trick or treat.
Moo!
Well, some bunch of monsters you are. You wouldn't even scare a mouse.
Again, the repellent girl. And on top of everything else, it starts to rain. What a mess. Another year that we failed. There. Anyone want to play a game of Yahtzee?
After this spooky story, I guess there won't be any children left listening. Ah, you! I have to admit that you have been very brave spending this terrifying night in the haunted mansion full of terrifying monsters. Well, I have to admit that today, precisely today, they weren't very scary, were they? Maybe next year they will do better. Now, it's time to go to sleep. But first, I'll blow out this candle to keep us in the dark.
A good